Hi, welcome to my another session. And today we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence. Not only the artificial intelligence, we are going to discuss about the machine learning and the importance of deep learning and as well as the self-driving cars. When we are talking about the artificial intelligence, the robot comes into existence. The use of robot can be clearly explained or seen by us in the film Endiran. When the robot is made to understand the concept or understand the situation or to behave according to the situation, these things are carried by the use of artificial intelligence. By the use of sensors in the artificial intelligence, we are saying it as a sensor fusion. That is, the robot doesn't work as a normal machine. For example, the robots can be used to drive the cars. We'll say it as self-driving cars. That is said to be as next level of intelligence. This artificial intelligence has a major advantage and as well as the same disadvantages too. That is, it doesn't need the intervention of humans. All the works are going to be carried out by the machine itself. Hence, the job for the humans is a big question mark. The major difference between the computers and as well as the artificial intelligence will be the information. That is, the storage of information in an artificial intelligence system is much more higher as compared with the computers, since the computers uses central processing unit, whereas the artificial intelligence made robots uses the graphics processing unit, GPU. So far we thought that humans are most intelligent, but there are some more insects or animals, there are intelligent too. You will see with an example. The ants, that is, when it goes with a coordination, and also it saves or stores the food for the future use. These things are done by the thinking ability of the ants. We'll go on to the next animal, that is chimpanzees. Chimpanzees look as like humans. It also has which one has to do, which one not to do. So when it has a thinking ability, it comes under the intelligent animal or insects. Now we will see the history of robot. This autonomous robot came into existence in the year 1921 by the Drama Company, and several processes is being made to make the robot to behave as a humans. From the year 2010, the artificial intelligence, deep learning and as well as machine learning came into existence highly by the use of big data, because this big data uses a graphics card. Before the year of 2010, we thought the graphics card can be used to play video games and so on things. After the existence of artificial intelligence, this graphics card can also be used in artificial intelligence, that is robot. In a normal computer, that is CPU, if a work has been made easier, when the same work is done by the use of graphics card or GPU, the process will be made as much as simple. By the use of graphics processing unit, the work is made 100 times faster than the ordinary CPU, that is central processing unit. Now we will discuss about the applications of artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence plays a vital role in the Google search engine, in which this Google search engine is used by all frequently, and this Google search engine has a rank brain system and as well as a recurrent networks. This artificial intelligence plays a vital role in Facebook, that is by the use of natural language processing and as well as image processing. By the use of these two processing techniques in a Facebook, if you are posting a photo, that photo can be deeply analyzed, who is that person and where he is from. So these things are found by the use of deep face technique, that is by the process of image processing or by the use of artificial intelligence. This accuracy can be equal to the human eye, that is 97.25% will be obtained by this artificial intelligence made systems. This artificial intelligence plays a vital role in airports, that is a proper destination and as well as a gateway will be informed properly to the pilot by the use of this artificial intelligence. Also, this artificial intelligence made a biggest impact in medical field, that is introduced by the IBM company in order to cure the cancer patients. The top online marketing, example Flipkart and Amazon, it uses a software that is DSSTNE, Destrain, in which it is made as an open source nowadays. So it uses artificial intelligence system. Also, this artificial intelligence plays a vital role in the share market, in which stock has to be bought or to be given. So these things are analyzed by the artificial intelligence made systems. We are using frequently the email. Nowadays the spam messages are avoided by the use of artificial intelligence system. Also, the separation between the several mails in inbox, that is important, and as well as spam messages, these things will be done by the use of artificial intelligence. We are using this artificial intelligence, it takes a lot of data. Most probably it will use a fifth generation or 5G, because the self-driving cars are radar based. Hence this artificial intelligence system. I hope I have given some of the basic ideas of artificial intelligence. If you are having any comments or doubts, please do comments in my comment section. Thank you.